Hello, welcome back to Galvic's YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If your business sells to customers in Connecticut, then you may be required to collect and remit sales tax. When you need to do that is what this video is about. So, you need to have something called sales tax nexus, and that is basically a connection between the state and your business that obligates you to start collecting sales tax and remitting it to the state. Now, when do you know that you have this connection? This will be in the case of two types of nexus. One is physical nexus, which occurs when someone has a physical presence in the state, such as an office, a warehouse, a retail location, an inventory, or employees that are working there. Even a remote employee or a temporary sales representative can trigger a physical nexus in some states, and that's the case in Connecticut. Now, if you don't have any physical presence, then you may be calculated for nexus based on your economic activity, which is your sales volume and number of transactions. Now, for the state of Connecticut, as of July 1st, 2019, it reinforces an economic nexus, and you must register and collect sales tax if during the 12-month period ending on September 30th, your business meets the following criteria, which is a sales threshold of $100,000 and a transaction threshold of 200 transactions. So, if you meet any of these both, then you will trigger Nexus and you will be required to register for sales tax. Now, what exactly is calculated for this threshold? That is where a lot of businesses get confused and get their sales tax incorrectly. Now, firstly, the first question you're going to ask yourself is, are marketplace sales excluded from the economic threshold in Connecticut? Now, in Connecticut, no. The sales that are happening through marketplace facilitators such as Amazon, Etsy, Walmart Marketplace, eBay, or any other marketplaces like that are included in the threshold calculation in Connecticut. So that's the first one. Now, second one is, are wholesale or resale transactions excluded from the economic threshold in Connecticut? The answer is yes, they are indeed excluded from the threshold calculation in Connecticut. But however, you may be required to maintain valid resale certificates to support the exclusion. Now, the last one, where a lot of people get confused, is this: are non taxable or exempt sales excluded from the economic threshold calculation in Connecticut? The answer is yes, they are indeed excluded. However, again, you must maintain documentation to prove their exempt status. Now, if after calculating all of that, your threshold crosses $100,000, you will be required to register on the official My Connect revenue portal of Connecticut. You can follow our tutorial series that's happening on the YouTube channel. Find a tutorial that gives you a step-by-step guide on how to register for sales tax in Connecticut, or you could also reach out to us. We are a sales tax compliance solution. We try to make this simple for you and do tax determination, sales tax registrations, exemptions, and everything that is related to sales tax filing as well. You can check us out down below at galvix.com, and yeah, I'll see you again next time. Like this video if you found it useful, and let us know what other kind of content you'd like us to make. We'll be happy to make it for you. Thank you. Bye bye.